So hello guys, I'm Virsan Chorsia and I study in class 9. So today I will introduce about myself. So this is my mother. As you can see.
Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Chanda Ravi, and we are here again on the roof and we are doing some funny things here with my both son Veer and Ujjwal, and I'm Chanda and I always make English related video and I post it on YouTube. So if you like those funny videos, please keep on watching and subscribe and like my channel.
Okay, so now I will introduce my brother.
Yes,
He speak. I also don't know what he speak.
yes, I am India.
Okay, Veer, playing with your son and encourage them like you should do what you want to do. There is no restriction. If you like record yourself, you can. At least you are speaking in English. It's a good way. I always say to my son. So you should always do like that. You know that. I was thinking before this video, like why I started making this kind of blogs or videos and this kind of thing, because I take only library science classes and library science subject related classes and videos I upload. But I started posting English videos because of my children, because I want them to speak in English. And but it's not like you are just thinking that your children you want your children to speak in English. How can they able to speak in English if you are not using or speaking this language? If you speak in a right way or with them on a regular basis, so they can easily grab your everything from your side. So you should speak with them in English language. That's why I started making this vlog, because I thought this could be the good medium to teach them. Like what I'm doing, you can also do. It's just like you have to speak with confidence. So I'm trying to do like that. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
and
Ujjwal. Ujjwal is the best. Ujjwal, you are best?
in Sapula.
Yes, Ujjwal is best. And Veer, what are you doing?
Yes, I'm yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel, my channel and our channel. Because I always make vlog here with my both son, and my channel name is Chanda Ravi, and I make English related videos, blogs, and also library science related video, because I am professor of library science subject. So I'm here with my son, and I was talking with my son before this video, and suddenly I got an idea, like why not to record a video. So I wanted to utilize this beautiful evening. So I suggested, and my son said, okay, you can do it, and now he is here. You wanna say?
Yes, I want to say. Again he says शाम हो रहा है.
Look at his. He always says, शाम हो रहा है.
In the last video you also we heard from this शाम हो रहा है.
शाम हो रहा है.
तुम्हें तो हो रहा था फार्म हो
बेटा, you are going to be viral, बेटा.
Yes.
शाम हो रहा है.
Please say this audio शाम हो रहा है.
He always says शाम हो रहा है, शाम हो रहा है. Why do you always say like that? Why, बेटा? Okay, he does funny things, and I like the way he does, you know. So okay, I was talking about today, about these vlogs, like why what was the topic? I just forgot.
I also forgot.
Okay, the main thing is we were here and we were doing some funny thing. We played a lot,
And you
and we thought like we should record a video, like always we do like that, as you know. And whatever we do, we just record and upload it on YouTube. Like today we are recording. So yeah, okay.
Yes. And you are seeing my hair. Yes, you can see. You can see my hair. He did to my hair.
Okay,
Before
he
making
messed
the
your hair. He messed your hair. Why did
Before I'm making the videos, he fight me.
he fights you?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know why.
It's his right. He can fight with you. He's your brother. Your toddler brother. Your teddy bear. So yeah, you can easily relate with the things like if you have two kids at your home, you can totally resonate with the situations like I'm feeling these days. They just keep on fighting and just keep on doing these things. Sometimes it irritates a lot, but sometimes I feel like it's okay. It's their time. They can do what they want to do. It's their time. So.
And if this video got 10k like,
Why do you always say like that?
so I will make challenging videos,
Okay, guys.
another videos.
Okay, guys. I just want to say 1 to 2 lines here. You know that I'm just saying lines like, I mean, what if you have your kids at your home? So ask him, or I mean, say 2 to 3 lines. It would be in Hindi, English. I mean, it would be because it will I mean, make them comfortable and also confident. So just do like that. Just try doing it. I tried doing this, and what I felt like he expressed his thoughts. I mean, whatever he thinks, he just speak in a concise way, and I feel this is the good way, you know, because in the future he won't be hesitating a lot, because he has experienced a lot. That's why I started doing these kind of things, because I wanted my son to be confident, and so that he can speak in front of anyone without hesitation, without any fear. That's why I started making. You should also do this kind of things. It's a good way, isn't it? Yeah.
He always say like शाम हो रहा है नीचे चलो. As you can see, he's going.
He's going. My younger son is going now, so I think we have to go. We have to go also.
Yes. And reach 10k like.
Okay.
I will make challenging videos.
So yeah, we have to close this video right now here.
Yes.
So I will wait for your response. If you like this kind of vlogs, me with my both sons in English vlogs. So yeah, we know that we are doing mistakes. Everybody does. It doesn't matter. We are trying. We are speaking. We are doing. It
Yes.
matters. It matters. So yeah, it's bye for today. Please.
Bye.
Okay, bye
And
bye.
don't forget
Bye to all of you.
10k like. Remember. So bye.
Okay, अब चलने